the bank's network of 5,418 branches, 51% are in rural and semi-urban areas, with 649 branches in villages that were previously unbanked.
ICICI Bank Limited is an Indian multinational bank and financial services company
correspondents
headquartered in
providing
Mumbai.
last mile
It
access to
offers a wide range of
20,540
banking products
unbanked
and financial
locations
services
in
for
remote
corporate
regions.
and retail
There were over
customers through a variety of
3,300
delivery
ATMs
channels
in the rural
and
and semi-urban
specialized subsidiaries in the
at March
areas of
31,
investment,
2022.
banking, life,
Small
and
and
non-life
medium-sized
insurance,
enterprise
venture
banking.
capital,
The small and medium
asset
enterprises
management.
banking
Let's learn more
portfolio
about this bank,
comprises
but before
exposures
that,
to
we urge you
companies
to like this
with
video
a
and subscribe
turnover
to India
of up
Business
to
Insights
INR
for more videos like
2.50
this.
billion. The
Banking
bank's
industry.
business
The
banking
banking
portfolio
system has
comprises
had to
small
serve the
business
goals of
customers with an
economic
average loan
policies
ticket size of
enunciated
INR
in
10 to
successive
15
five-year
million. Business
development plans,
banking
particularly
portfolio grew
concerning
by
equitable income
43.2%
distribution,
to INR
balanced regional economic
434.37
growth,
billion,
and the reduction and elimination
accounted for
of private sector
6.2% of the
monopolies
overall
in trade and
portfolio at March
industry.
31,
In order
2022.
for the banking industry to serve
Wholesale
as an
banking.
instrument of
The
state
bank's wholesale
policy,
banking
it was
customers
subjected to
include large
various
private sector business
nationalization
houses
schemes in
and
different
companies,
phases,
financial institutions and
1955,
banks, public sector
1969 and
undertakings, and
1980.
center and state
As a
government
result,
entities. The
banking
domestic
remained
corporate loan
unintentionally
portfolio
isolated,
grew by
though
9.7%
few Indian banks
year-on-year
had a
to
presence
INR
abroad in international financial centers.
19,037.34
Most banks
billion
were
at
focused
March
on
31,
domestic priorities,
2022, and
especially
accounted
massive
for
branch
22.5%
expansion and
in the
attracting
overall
more
portfolio.
people to the system.
International business. ICICI
Moreover,
Bank's
the
international
sector
presence consists
has
of branches in 7
designed the
overseas
role of
locations and
providing support
representative
to other
offices in 9
economic
locations
sectors such as
outside India.
agriculture,
The bank has
small-scale
offshore banking
industries,
limit
exports, and
unit
banking
OBU
activities
in
in the
Mumbai and
developed commercial
IFSC banking
centers,
unit
that is
IBU
metro,
in Gift City,
urban,
and
a
wholly owned
limited number of
subsidiaries in the United
semi-urban
Kingdom and
centers.
Canada.
The banking
ICICI
system's
Bank
international
UK also has a
isolation was
branch
also
in
due
Germany.
to strict branch
Government
licensing
banking.
controls on foreign
ICICI
banks
Bank has been
already
providing a
operating in
range
the
of banking
country,
services
as well
to
as
Government of
entry
India
restrictions
ministries,
facing new foreign
state
banks.
government
A
departments,
criterion
and
of
district and local bodies
reciprocity
across
is
the country.
required for an
It offers
Indian
its
bank
government
to
customers
open an
to
office
wide
abroad.
spectrum of
These
solutions,
features have left
including
the Indian
customized products and
banking
services for
sector with
enhancing
weakness
e-governance and
strengths.
financial management. Financials.
ICICI's
Net
bank
interest
story.
income. The company has
ICICI
been
Bank
seeing
Limited
steady
is the
growth in
second
its
largest
net
private
interest
sector
income
bank in India
in
by
FY
market
2022.
capitalization.
It
They
was
are a publicly held banking company engaged in providing a wide range of banking and financial services. This bank has a network of
Whereas net interest margin
5,418
saw a slight
branches
decline in
and
FY 21, but it pulled
13,626
through in
ATMs
FY
across
2022.
India and has a presence in
NII
17 countries.
also
The
showed
Industrial
a
Credit and
Q3
Investment
OQ3
Corporation of
growth
India
of 34.6%
was formed in
in
1955
Q3
at the
FY
initiative of the
23.
World Bank, the
Operating
Government of
profit.
India, and
The
representatives of
company
Indian
showed
industry with the
a
principal
year-on-year
objective
growth rate
to
of
create a
16 to
development
22%
financial
in its
institution
operating
for
profits from
providing
FY
medium-term
18
and
to
long-term
FY
project
21,
financing to Indian
and in
businesses.
FY 22 it was 22.3%.
ICICI Bank was established
and
by
Q3 FY 23
ICICI
saw a
as a
growth
wholly
of
owned subsidiary in 1994 in Vadodara.
at 132.52
The bank was
billion
founded
rupees
as the
in the
Industrial
core
Credit
operating
and
profits
Investment
of the
Corporation
company.
of Indian
Number
Bank.
2, PAT. The
Before
company's
it
PAT
changed
took
its name to
a hit in
ICICI
FY19
Bank,
when it
the parent
slowed
company was
a
later
year-on-year
merged with the
decline
bank.
of
Until the late
approximately
1980s,
50.4%.
ICICI
However,
primarily
it pulled
focused
itself
in
in
its
the next
activities
fiscal
on
year
project
and even
finance,
surpassed the FY18
providing
figures.
long-term funds to a variety
Q3
of medium and large industrial projects.
Q303 growth
With the
of
liberalization of the
34.2%
financial
at
sector in India in the
83.15 billion
1990s,
rupees.
ICICI transformed its
CASA
business
balances.
from a development
ICICI
financial
Bank's average
institution
current account
offering
deposits
only
increased by
project finance
7.9%
to a
year-on-year,
diversified
and
financial
average savings
services provider
account deposits
that,
increased by
along with its
11.4%
subsidiaries and
year-on-year.
other group
Comparative
companies,
Study.
offered a wide
Being the second
variety
largest bank,
of products
ICICI
and
Bank has
services.
customers far and wide,
In
and it still
1994,
continues to add its
ICICI Bank was
arsenal
incorporated
in
as a
order to
part of the
provide its services
ICICI
to its
Group,
customers.
and in
Peer
1999 it
comparison
became
in
the
terms
first
of
Indian
ratio
company and the
analysis
first
shows
bank or
that the
financial
bank is doing
institution
well in its
from
profitability
non-Japan
and
Asia
growth
to be
as its
listed on the New
NIM
York
in
Stock
a similar
Exchange.
range as its peers.
ICICI's shareholding
Its
in
CASA is also
ICICI
similar
Bank
to that
was
of
reduced to
HDFC Bank,
46%
showcasing
through
that
a
the
public
bank is
offering
not
of
falling
shares in
behind its
India in
peers.
1998,
Additionally,
followed
its
by an equity
CAR is
offering
also
in
higher
the
than
form
its
of
peers,
American
second only to Kotak
Depository
Mahindra Bank,
receipts
putting it
on the
in a better spot.
NYSE in
Its
2000.
NPA is much higher than
ICICI
HDFC
Bank
Bank and Kotak
acquired the
Mahindra
Bank
Bank.
of Madura Limited in all stock deal in 2001
Controversies.
and sold additional stakes to institutional investors during 2001
A few years
to 2.
after its rise to prominence
The
in the
management
banking
of
sector,
ICICI
Bank faced allegations on the recovery methods it used against loan payment defaulters.
ICICI Bank
A number of
would be the
cases were
optimal
filed against the
strategic
bank and its
alternative
employees for
for
using
both
brutal
entities,
measures to
creating
recover
the
the money.
optimal legal
Most of
structure
the
for
allegations
ICICI
were that
Group's
the bank
universal
was
banking
using
strategy.
goons to recover the
merger
credit card
was anticipated
payments, and
to
that these
enhance
recovery
value for
agents
ICICI
exhibited inappropriate and in some
through the
cases
merged entities'
inhumane
access
behavior.
to low-cost
Incidents
deposits,
were reported
greater
wherein
opportunities
the
for
defaulters
earning
were put to
fee-based
public
income,
shame by the
and
recovery
the ability
agents.
to participate in the
The
payment
bank
system
also
and
faced
provide
allegations
transaction
of
banking
inappropriate
services.
behavior in recovering its loans.
ICICI Bank,
These
through this merger,
allegations
had
started
access to
initially when
large
the recovery
capital base
agents and bank
and
employees
scale of
started threatening the
operations.
defaulters.
Seamless access to
Such charges faced
ICICI's
by the bank
strong
rose to a
corporate
peak when
relationships
suicide cases were
built up over
reported
5
wherein the
decades.
suicide notes
Entry
spoke of the
into new
bank's
business
recovery methods
segments,
as the
higher
cause of the
market share
suicide.
in various
This
business
led to
segments,
legal battles and the
particularly
bank
fee-based
paying huge
services and
compensation.
access to the
In
vast
view
talent
of the
pool of
alleged
ICICI and its
harassment of
subsidiaries.
customers by
In
ICICI's
October
recovery agents
2001,
and the judgment
merger
of the Supreme Court,
ICICI and two
the
of
bank
its
was
wholly owned
advised by
retail
RBI
finance subsidiaries
to investigate and
that
take
is
action against the
ICICI
recovery
Personal
agents
Financial
involved.
Services Limited
The
and
bank was also
ICICI
advised to
Capital
look into the
Services
system
Limited,
of appointing
with
and reviewing
ICICI
performance
Bank
of
was
recovery
approved by their
agents
board of
and
directors.
undertake
The
comprehensive
merger was
review of
approved by
customer
shareholders
complaints
of
at the highest
ICICI
levels.
and ICICI Bank in January
Delhi State
2002.
Consumer Commission
By
has
the High Court
imposed
of Gujarat
punitive
at
damages of
Ahmedabad in
Rs
March
50 lakh
2002.
on ICICI
And by the
Bank
High
for
Court of
alleged use of
Judicature
force and coercive
at Mumbai
methods by some
and the Reserve Bank
recovery
of India
agents of the bank
in
to take
April
possession of
2002.
a vehicle financed by
Consequent
the
to
bank.
the merger,
It also
ICICI
ordered the
Group's
bank to pay a
financing and
compensation
banking
of Rs
operations,
5
both
lakh to the
wholesale and
complainant.
retail, were
Number
integrated
2.
to a single
Money laundering
entity.
controversy.
During the financial
ICICI
crisis of
Bank was
2007 to
also
8,
one of the leading Indian
customers
banks
rushed to
accused of
ICICI
blatant
ATMs
money
and
laundering
branches in some
through
locations due to
violation of
rumors of
RBI
bank failure.
guidelines in the famous
The
Cobra
Reserve Bank
Post
of India
sting
issued a
operation which
clarification
shook
on the
up
financial
Indian banking
strength
industry
of ICICI
during April
Bank,
to May
dispelled the rumors,
2013.
and in March
On
2020,
14th
the
March
board of
2013,
ICICI Bank
the
Limited
online
approved an
magazine Cobra
investment of
Post
rupees
released
10 billion
video
in Yes
footage
Bank,
from Operation
resulting in
Red
a
Spider
5%
showing
ownership
high-ranking
interest in
officials
Yes.
and some employees of some major
ICICI
banks
Bank
agreeing
has
to convert
contributed to the
black
setting
money
up
into
of a
white.
number of Indian
Bank of
institutes
India,
to establish
Central Bank
financial
of India,
infrastructure
Bank of
in the country
Maharashtra,
over the
Allahabad
years.
Bank and Bank of Baroda,
The National
all
Stock
major public
Exchange
sector
was promoted by
banks,
India's
as well
leading
as
financial
Indus Ind
institutions,
Bank,
including
ING,
ICICI Limited in
Visya Bank,
1992
HDFC Bank,
on behalf of the government of India.
ICICI Bank and Axis Bank
In
among
1987,
private sector banks.
ICICI Limited, along with UTI
Officials
set
of
up
these banks
CRISL
allegedly offered to
as
help
India's
a corrupt
first professional
politician
credit rating
invest
agency.
his black money into
National
banking
Commodities
accounts
and Derivatives
and various
Exchange was
insurance
set up in
products.
2003
In
by
part 1 of its
ICICI Bank
expose,
Limited,
Cobra Post
LIC,
had claimed that
NABARD,
officials of
NIC,
ICICI
Canara
Bank,
Bank,
HDFC Bank and
CRISL,
Axis Bank
Gold
were
Bank,
willing to assist a corrupt
SACS,
politician
Indian Farmers
to
Fertilizer
convert his
Cooperative
corrupt money.
Limited, that is IFCO,
Government of
and
India
Punjab
and
National
Reserve
Bank.
Bank of India ordered
ICICI
an
Bank
inquiry
facilitated
following
the
the
setting up
expose.
of FINO in
On 15th March 2013,
as a company that would
ICICI
provide
Bank
technology
suspended
solutions
18
and
employees
services
pending
to
inquiry,
reach the undeserved
and on 11th
and
April
underbanked
2013,
population of
the
the
Deputy
country.
Governor of
Using
RBI
technologies like
informed that the
smart
Central
cards,
Bank was
biometrics,
initiating
and a
action
basket of
against
support
ICICI
services,
Bank
FINO
in
enables
connection with
financial
allegations
institutions
of
to
money laundering.
conceptualize, develop and
Number 3,
operationalize
corruption
projects
allegations
to support
on MD
sector
and
initiatives
CEO.
in microfinance and
Then the
livelihoods.
bank was hit by another
Entrepreneurship
controversy
Development
on
Institute
4th
of India
October
was set up in
2018
1983 by
when
the erstwhile
the then
Apex
MD and
financial
CEO
institutions
Chanda
like
Kochar
IDBI,
stepped down with
ICICI,
her position
IFCI and SBI
following
with the
allegations
support of
of
the government
corruption.
of Gujarat.
ICICI Bank
Business
and the
overview.
business dealings of the
The
Kochar
bank's
family
strategic
have come
focus
under the
continues
regulatory
to be
glare
on growth
of
in
SEBI
core operating
and other
profit within
agencies
the
after a
guardrails of
whistleblower
risk and
reported
compliance.
to the government
The bank's
agencies
core
that the
operating
family
profit
had some
grew by
quid pro quo
22.3%
in its dealings with the
fiscal
Videocon group.
2022 to INR
The Enforcement Directorate
$383.47 billion
also investigated
through the focused
allegations
pursuit
against
of target market
ICICI Bank
segments.
that
The
it
domestic
illegally
loan
sanctioned
portfolio
loans
grew by
to Videocon Group when Chanda
17.5%
Kochar was
year-on-year
at its help.
to 8,000
The case filed by the central agency claimed that loans to the tune of rupees 1,875 crores
on
were extended
and
to
saw
Venugopal
growth across the
Dooth-led company
small
in
and medium
2017.
enterprise and business
The
banking
allegations also
portfolios.
pointed
And
out
in
that
current and
companies
savings
controlled by
account
Chanda's
deposits on
husband,
daily
daily received kickbacks from Ridiocon in lieu of loans from ICICI Bank. The loan portfolio in a granular
January next
manner
year, is based on the report of an inquiry panel. The bank board officially terminated her from service. It also became one of the first in the country to ask for a clawback of bonuses and benefits.
While there
In
are no
2020,
targets for
the
loan
Enforcement
mix or
Directorate
segment-wise
provisionally
loan
seized
growth,
assets
the
and
aim is to
shares
continue to grow the
belonging to
deposit
Chandra Kochar
franchise
with an
and
estimated
maintain a
value
stable
of more
and
than
healthy funding
780
profile and
million
comparative
rupees.
advantage in
In
cost of
relation to
funds.
the ICICI
The
Bank
bank
loan
is
case.
investing in areas that are critical for delivering enhanced customer services, boosting productivity, and improving operational efficiency. Enabled by technology, the bank is focusing on growing its share across all businesses by attracting new customers and deepening wallet share among existing customers. ICICI Bank key business areas are as follows. Number 1, retail. The retail business continues to be a key driver of growth for ICICI Bank as it pursues a strategy of building a diversified and granular loan portfolio. The bank's retail portfolio grew by 19.7% year on year to 4,546.35 billion Indian rupees at March 31, 2022. Retail loans accounted for 52.9% of total loans. The bank also continued to maintain a robust funding profile with strong growth in the deposit base. Total deposits increased by 14.2% year on year to 10,645.72 billion Indian rupees at March 31, 2022. Savings account deposits on a daily average basis grew by 23.5% year on year in fiscal 2022, and current account deposits on a daily average basis grew by 31% year on year in fiscal 2022. Term deposits grew by 9% year on year to 5,461.35 billion Indian rupees at March 31, 2022. The value of credit card transactions in fiscal 2022 was 2.1 times the value in fiscal 2021. The bank's market share in credit and transactions by value increased to 20.1% in fiscal 2022 from 14.6% in fiscal 2021, and its market share in credit cards in force increased to 17.6% as in March 31, 2022 from 17.1% as at March 31, 2021. It has also emerged as a market leader in FASTag with market share of about 33% in fiscal 2022. Collections through FASTag higher by 51.9% year on year in fiscal 2022. Rural and inclusive banking. The bank's product offerings in the rural markets and also provides consumption loans for low income customers. The bank's rural portfolio grew by 6.5% year on year to 768.30 billion rupees at March 31, 2022. The bank has identified 6 main ecosystems in the rural market, which include farmers, dealers, self employed persons, corporates, institutions, and micro entrepreneurs. The bank's reach in rural areas comprises a network of branches, ATMs, field staff, and business correspondents providing last mile access in remote areas. Conclusion. Even against all the odds in the company, it has pulled through remarkably. It has continued to showcase its stellar performance. The credit book reported a resilient growth trajectory across all the segments. The asset quality witnessed improvement led by moderating the slippages and further decline in the restructured book, and the asset quality is expected to remain stable. The stable mix of a high-yielding portfolio, retail/business banking, and a low-cost liability franchisee is driving NII growth steady, resulting in margin expansion to 4.65%. The bank is seeing a strong recovery across segments, while asset quality trends remain steady with industry-best PCR at 83%. However, as the deposit repricing is underway, the bank expects the impact to be seen in upcoming quarters. Despite this, we expect the cost-to-income ratio to remain under control, led by healthy operating income. The bank will continue to grow its core operating profits in a risk-calibrated manner and will continue to see strong traction across its business, supporting healthy and sustainable growth. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned to India Business Insights for more such insightful content.